Guys, Hot Tub Todd here with Crystal Clean 123 and Sunset Spas. Congratulations, you've got a brand new hot tub. I'm going to go over a few things that you need to know to get started and get started right so you can have a great experience with your new hot tub. First thing you're going to do is fill it. So you're going to take the filters out. There may be a filter lid, there may be just a weir door, it may be something you need to crank open and open up and pull the filter out. However you get at the filter, pull your filters out, stick the hose down in there and fill it through the filter area. The reason we do this is so all of your equipment fills up first and we don't risk having an airlock. Airlock's not hard to get out, but why get one if you don't need one? So now you got your hot tub full of water. Go ahead and turn the temperature up. You know, wherever you want, somewhere between 95 and 104, whatever makes you comfortable, and you'll figure that out as the time goes on. As far as how full, usually about halfway up the weir door, maybe to the top of the jets, depending on how many people you put in the hot tub at any time, also depends on how high you fill it, because you can adjust that at any time. Okay, so your hot tub's turned up. I'm going to talk more about controls, how to operate them, the various types of control centers in upcoming videos. But first of all, we need to get some chemicals into your hot tub so that it stays nice and clear, because a lot of times in the first couple of weeks it gets a lot of use. Okay? We start you with the Frog Addies system. Now we do this because we've learned over the years that this is the simplest, easiest way to get people started. We don't run the risk of them not adding a little bit of sanitizer and having the water go cloudy, because it's really important in those first couple of weeks to really have a great experience, in my opinion. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add a packet of Jumpstart. This is going to establish the smart chlor level. So you toss this in. You might want to open it first and then toss it in. Believe it or not, I've had to tell people that it's just floating in there. So open it, toss it in, turn the jets on because it'll mix up real nice. Then you're going to take these two things. This is the cartridge, and it's gray, and you snap these together. Okay, on the cartridge, there's a dial. Set the dial to 3 initially, and then just toss it in the hot tub. It's going to float around, okay? And when it's empty, it's going to go belly up. And basically that's going to tell you that it's time to go ahead and put another cartridge on. And you can get these 3 packs of the cartridges. So, next step, as we move forward, in the first week to 10 days, you're going to want to add some Metal Gone and adjust your pH. Now you can get this from the website, you can get it from service or delivery guys, you can get it online like I said. First thing you do is you add a bottle of Metal Be Gone. This burns out all the metals. This is the only thing that you add to the hot tub that you can't get in right away. But you just have to wait 30 minutes and it's perfectly safe. This is for about a 500-gallon hot tub. If you've got a smaller hot tub, you just need a half a bottle of Metal Be Gone. Then you've got pH increaser and decreaser. Now you're going to take your test strips that came in your kit, you're going to stick a strip in, and you're going to look at the pH. We're only concerned with the pH, not the alkalinity, not the hardness. I do another video, an FAQ, that talks about all the confusing things that will happen if you take a water sample to a pool store. Really, honestly, the only thing we're concerned with is keeping your pH balanced. You do that, everything else falls in line. So typically, in the states where Sunset Spas operates, the water comes out a little bit on the high side for the pH. So you'll probably just add a cap or 2 of pH decreaser, and that'll balance out your pH. So now you've got your sanitizer floating around in there. It's going to put a little bit of chemical in. It's going to make it so it stays nice and clean for you for the first couple of weeks. Then you can go ahead and explore some other options. We have our Crystal Clean system, and we have some other products for optimum spa maintenance that you're going to want to check out. But the Frog is a great way to get started. I like it if you go on vacation. This is perfect. You leave it in the hot tub. So even if you go to the other system at a later date, you're going to want this. Because if you go away for a few days or a week or two and you have this in the hot tub, you'll come back to a nice, clean hot tub. So the other thing you're going to want to get is some Bright and Clear and Spa Defense. Bright and Clear is the best clarifier that I've ever seen in all my years, over 30 years of doing this. It bonds together the little particles and makes them filterable. It's the best clarifier on the market. Spa Defense, that is a calcium scale and stain inhibitor. Believe me, you don't want a lot of calcium building up on your hot tub. It's a real pain to get rid of. So those two things weekly. When you're using the Addy's Frog system, you need to use shock. Now, once a week, when you're doing your regular maintenance with the Bright and Clear and the Spa Defense, checking your pH, add about the interior cap. So that's about 2.5 ounces. Just turn the jets on again, toss it in. Anytime you add chemicals, you turn the jets on, they're going to automatically shut off in 15 or 20 minutes, and then you just basically, you've covered it up and you're inside or on your way to do something else. The other thing, very briefly, is one of the first things you do is go to crystalclean123.com and register for the lifetime jet warranty. As long as you're using our products, whether they're the Addy's Frog system and you're buying them from our stores or you're buying them from crystalclean123.com, you're going to get a lifetime warranty on your jets. You can also ask your salesperson or the delivery person or the service person that you're talking to about a discount code, because we offer a discount code to our preferred customers. So this is how you get started. This is what you get to get started. I'll have another video on explaining the Crystal Clean 123 system, but for now, just fill up your hot tub, throw this stuff in, and enjoy your new hot tub. Thanks.